Mastering debates, harnessing the power of logos. Hello learners. Today we're diving deep into an essential part of persuasive language that you can use in debates and discussions. Logos. Remember, logos stands for using logic and reasoning in your argument. By the end of this video, you should be able to identify, understand, and effectively use logos in English debates. Logos comes from the Greek word meaning logic. In the context of debates and discussions, it refers to the use of logical reasoning and rational arguments to persuade your listeners. Using logos means using facts, evidence, and logical reasoning to support your points of view. It's crucial to understand that effective logos is not just about presenting a bunch of facts, but it's about organizing these facts in a logical and coherent manner that strengthens your argument. So how can we do this? Let's explore. One of the most straightforward ways to implement logos is to use facts and evidence. These could be statistics, research findings, historical precedents, or any reliable source of information that directly supports your argument. When using facts, ensure that they are relevant and convincingly back your points. An argument with solid evidence becomes very hard to refute. For example, if you are arguing that smoking should be banned in public places, you could cite studies showing the harmful effects of secondhand smoke on non-smokers. In addition to using facts and evidence, you can also use logical reasoning to create compelling arguments. There are several techniques for this, including 1. Cause and effect. This reasoning technique involves establishing a relationship between two events or things, where one is the result of the other. 2. Compare and contrast. In this technique, you can highlight the similarities or differences between two or more things to make your point. 3. Analogy. This involves using a situation or phenomenon that the audience is familiar with, to explain something they might find complicated. Using logical reasoning can significantly enhance the strength of your argument and make it more convincing to your audience. To construct a logical argument, start with a clear premise or claim, follow it up with supporting evidence or facts, and then draw a conclusion that follows logically from the premise and the evidence. Remember, it's essential to ensure that your argument is coherent and the links between your claims and evidence are clear. A logical argument is like a chain, where each link is interconnected and supports the overall structure. That wraps up our session on using logos in debates and discussions. Remember, the key to logos is logic and reasoning. Using factual evidence and rational thinking, you can create strong, persuasive arguments that are hard to refute. I hope this video has given you a solid understanding of how to use logos in your debates. Keep practicing, and remember, logic is one of your most powerful tools in any debate. Happy learning!